Good morning. Now that we have our tools of geometry, paper, a compass, straight edge, and a pencil, now we can begin our first construction. Focus this in. What we'll do is, the first thing we begin with is a point. We take our pencil, put it on our paper, put it down, turn it, raise it back up again, and there's our point, as you can see. Let's see if I can get that in a little better. Now, next we take our compass. We open it up with our mechanism. Here's the point. I'm going to put the point of the compass onto the point that I drew on the paper. And that's where we begin. I'm going to turn the circle. I'm going to turn the circle, put my pencil down on the paper and turn the circle with the compass. I'm leaning my hand forward in the direction of the circle that I'm turning. I'm going to go back the other way. Now we have our circle, our first shape. Let's go ahead and we're going to take the compass setting. We're not going to change it. This is a radius from this point to this point. I'm just going to set it at the top of the circle. Put it on the line here. I'm choosing a point, and I'm going to make a mark with the compass, with the pencil there, and a mark right here. Next, I come back and put the point back on this one. Anytime when a line crosses a line, that creates a point that we can use to continue our construction. Now make a mark with that, and I'll just walk it all the way around the circle. So every distance is the same. And now we have a circle divided into 6 parts. Let's go ahead. I'm going to use my straight edge now. And again, in geometry and geometrical constructions, our straight edge is just the edge. I don't need numbers. I'm not working with any of that. I just have a straight edge to connect 2 points. So I take the 2 points up here, for example, and I start and I make a nice, clean, straight line. Put my straight edge up against those points, this point corresponding to this point, make a straight line all the way around to all the points. You want to be as precise as you can be with this. Make sure you're hitting where the actual intersection of the line creates the point with the other line. Now we have a hexagon. Hex meaning 6. We've divided our circle up into 6 straight sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I continue to connect these lines, point to point, going diagonally now, walk it around the circle. Now I divided the circle up into 6 parts. Now I can teach fractions with this. For example, I've divided the circle up into sixths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excuse me, I've divided the hexagon up into sixths. 1/6 plus 2/6 equals 3/6, and that is 1/2. Another example of what we can do with this. Again, we'll start with a point. Turn, raise it up. Put my point on the paper. Turn the circle. I'm going to go ahead and make the same marks that I had done before, starting at the top on this one. I could have chosen it anywhere. I'm going to do this for a reason. And then do the same thing. Walk it all the way around. There. And I usually always check just to make sure I've got the same one. Let's go ahead and make the hexagon again. Point to point. Point to point. Now, if we connect these top 2 points here, and connect these 2 points to the point, these 2 down here to the bottom, and over here. Now I've got an equilateral triangle. Each side, should be the same length. I can measure these with my compass. That's the same as this one, and this is the same there. This side is the same as that side. And I can do the same with these 2 points down below. Connect those to the ones up here. Now I've made the star out of the shape. In other words, our shape was a hexagon, and when I make the star out of that, that becomes the hexagram. The 6-pointed star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6-pointed star, and here we've divided the circle into the sixths and also the hexagon. Practice these shapes. Practice using a compass. Make circles of different sizes. Try walking the compass around just like we did here. Just choose a point on your compass anywhere. Doesn't matter where. I can go ahead and do another one here, for example. You can start on the side, for example, this time. Again, the compass will mark it out for you. Keep that same radius. Connect your points with your straight edge. And there we have it, the hex. We'll see you next time.